Hi, my name's Tom. I was given this next product to go ahead and tell you all about it, and that's exactly what I'm going to do. This amazing glass casserole dish is a 28 cup, 220-ounce casserole dish. This is one super big food storage glass container for oven safe, microwave safe, freezer safe. You can do all sorts of amazing things with this container. It is really big. And you can see right now I've got some water in there just to kind of show you the size. You can see it's a glass is kind of easy to see through, but it's a lot. This is about 6 cups of water, and it's only about a quarter full. So you can really put a lot of food in here. Now you can do all sorts of things with this. Obviously, you can go ahead and use it for food storage. It would be great for like pasta, for lasagna. You can actually bake a lasagna in this thing. You can use it for fruits, for salad. You could do that. You could make a giant dessert in here. You can do all sorts of cool stuff with this glass container. It's a lot of different uses for it. So you see right off the bat, it does have a plastic top, and the plastic top has these little, they kind of pop off there. I'm going to show you the top in a second here. Top has a couple of nice features. One, there's a rubber gasket all the way around it, and that rubber gasket with these locks kind of keeps the whole thing safe, airtight, very, very secure. And you also notice the top has a handle, little plastic handle there, but that's also a very secure handle. I'm going to show you how secure in a second. I'm going to click it on. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. Okay, now this thing's pretty heavy, a couple pounds, probably 4 or 5 pounds. Watch this. There we go. I can hold the whole thing up with the handle. You can even put a turkey in here, cook it, get it ready to go. Go ahead and take it out to Thanksgiving dinner and just carry it just like this, nice and secure. So if anything falls over, don't worry, it won't spill. Speaking of spills, again, I got about 5 or 6 cups of water in here. What's going to happen when I turn this over? Oh my God. Oh, it's actually proof. It's actually waterproof. Nothing's going to spill. Look at that, watertight. Nice and good in there. I can just go ahead and shake it a little bit. Nothing comes out. I am nice and safe with this thing. The seal works great. Let's talk some more details here. The top itself is plastic. It's very strong. It's got a great seal on it, but it's not oven safe. You don't want to put this in. It will melt, but that's okay because you have this glass casserole dish. This is what you're going to cook with. This is super, super durable. It's a very thick glass. I want you to see that there. It's a thick, beautiful glass. It is just a great big dish. You can go ahead and obviously put a ton of food in here. If you're doing like a church group, you have a great big barbecue, you have a gathering with a bunch of people, any kind of buffet, any kind of family meals, this is the sort of thing will come in handy. You can make a lot of food, put it in there, and go ahead and just store it, put a top on it, carry it, whatever you want. You can put this in the fridge again, as long as things are ready to go. You can put the top in the fridge. Both the top and the glass container itself are both dishwasher safe as well, so it's really easy to clean up. We've used this twice now, I think, and it still looks brand spanking new. It's just really amazing. It's just that good of a container. And so here we go. My wife is going to go ahead and make some homemade mac and cheese for the kids. They really like it. She has already boiled a pound of pasta, which is shells in this case. You can see she's put it right into the glass casserole dish. Goes ahead and pour on your cheese sauce. Again, homemade. It's about a cup or two of cheese sauce. And she's just going to mix it right in the container itself. Again, because the dish is so large, it's great for preparing food because you have a lot of space here. It's almost like a giant mixing bowl. Once everything is nice and smoothed out there, we're going to go ahead and throw a little bit of extra cheese across the top. And then she's going to go ahead and bake it. So again, because it's oven safe, you can just open it up, get your oven nice and hot, put it in there for a little bit, and close it up, and it will be fine. 20 minutes later, come back out, the cheese is all melted, it's nice and baked, and we are done. The kids are going to love this, and I want you to kind of see this. This is only a pound of pasta, and it takes up 1/3 of it. You could put 2, maybe even 3 more pounds in here. I want you to see how big this thing is. It's great for big meals and for families. Okay, there we go. Our macaroni and cheese is done. It is actually cooled. The kids have tried it and they have given us their approval. So I'm going to go ahead and just latch the sides on. And it's done. Now it's ready to go ahead and go into the fridge for storage. So you can go ahead and make your macaroni and cheese, mix it up in here, go ahead and store it in here, serve from here, whatever you want to do. And again, this is pretty heavy right now. Ta-da, I can hold it with the handle. Everything is nice and secure. I could even turn it upside down and have it all just kind of plop down, but it's not going to leak. That's the key. This is just a really amazingly large and useful food storage container, casserole dish, glass dish, however you want to call it. I love the fact that you can go ahead and cook things with it. You can bake things in it. You can go ahead and microwave. You can put it in the freezer. You can put it in the fridge. Again, totally dishwasher safe. It's just a really, really nice food container unit, and I really, really recommend this.